It's a very simple recipe. We're going to be needing 3 stalks of celery, apple, cucumber, lemon and ginger. We'll need apple, carrot, celery, lemon, ginger and some beetroot. So right here I've got some cucumber, celery, apple, lemon, ginger, carrot and some bok choy. You can use any other Asian greens or kale, spinach, anything that's green. Celery is a great vegetable. It helps to reduce your acid in your body. So we're just going to start with that. Now we're going to add our cucumber, ginger, carrot and apple. Now add your bok choy. We will need orange, bok choy, cucumber, handful of berries like blueberries or blackberries, strawberries, kiwi and the carrot. Now add your kiwi, strawberries, blueberries, all the small ones, cucumber. We will need celery, parsley, apple, ginger, carrot, lemon, cucumber and some beetroot. So let's start off with our green vegetables, our celery, which is so good for you, our cucumber. Add your beetroot, apple, lemon, ginger and carrot.